Hello viewers, welcome to Arts and Creative World. Generally, we are through the bottle after the taking medicine. Then I thought, why we are not reusing this? So today I am going to show you how to decor with wastage medicine bottle very easily. Let's see the procedure. For this we need empty medicine bottle, glue, scissors, pearl beads and straws. Let's begin. First of all, take a empty medicine bottle. Now take a scale and take measurement like this, and take a straw and cut it with this measurement like this way. Now add glue and stick the straw in this way. Here I have attached all of straws with bottle. Now here add glue and attach a pearl beads chain like this way. In the same process, attach a beads chain here also. For making flower, take straw and cut it like this. Here I am use 5 cm per piece of straw. Here I am taking 12 pieces of straw. Follow the process and make flower. Here I am cutting the straw diagonally. Our flower is complete. Now for making button flower, follow this process. These two type of flower making process you can see detailedly in my old video. I was give the link in description box. the same way, I have already made many button flowers for different colors. Now make leaves using straw, like this way. Here I am using 4 pieces of 5 cm straws. Here we need 3 pieces of leaves. Now make hanging like this way. Here I am use 1 6 mm beads, 3 mm beads and 2 mm beads. Here we need 2 hanging. Now make a hanger at neck of bottle using woolen threads. Then add glue like this portion and attach the button flower like this way. Here I am using all of white flower. Now see how to decorate front of bottle using leaves, flower and hanging. Now our bottle decorating is complete. See, it's looking very pretty. This idea is specially for school project purpose of primary school students. So of course you try it at your home. I hope you enjoyed my video. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.